Theo, stand back a little, honey.
Still and quiet.
This is the last time we saw Steve live.
Okay. There we go.
Where's the queen bee?
We're going to keep her nice and warm.
And where?
Where's the queen bee? In your
Queen bee is-
pocket? Oh, okay.
Queen is right here.
Let's get a picture.
She's gorgeous. Look at her.
She's moving around, yeah.
Yeah, she's nice and lively.
Is she in there?
She's ready to go. She's in there. She's in her cage. I'm going to keep her nice and warm.
Now we're gonna let all
And
the
here we
bees out.
go.
Let all the bees
Get ready
out.
for the... All right. We're gonna.
Oh, there's one crawling under your hand.
I'm gonna bump them down.
Oh.
All right.
I think there's.
And here we go.
It's a lot of bees. It's a lot of bees.
I'm scared. That is so cool.
I got stung.
You got stung?
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Nope.
God. Okay, I'm gonna keep it here. Okay, mommy, can I go home?
Are you scared of the bees?
You'll be there are more
The
than
worst part is
12,000.
Is the splinters.
The splinters. Can't wear gloves, huh, Steve?
We lean them up
They're
like
more
that.
than 12,000. They're like 12
And-
billion.
Put these frames back in here.
Oh!
Oh.
You got sting.
That was me with a fly on my hand. I dropped the camera. Sorry. I mean a fly, a bee. This does have a zoom lens, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. You can.
Where's Tam? She would like to see this. You're gonna go home?
All right, we're gonna put the queen.
Putting the queen in there.
I can't believe I'm still here, but my brother's not. Probably because I'm like paralyzed with chakras. Freeze, mommy.
Oh, here come the fire department.
All right. Now we're gonna put our pollen patches on.
So the ones
feed
left
on
over
that.
are just gonna eventually gravitate towards the hive.
Yeah, they'll cluster around the queen tonight.
Yeah.
Are you gonna keep it out here,
If you think.
or is it
Come on,
too
girls.
cold?
Come on.
Once you close it up, they can get in and out, though, right?
Yeah, they can get in and out through the little slat in the front.
Yeah, like these guys left here in the original cage. They're just
Yeah.
gonna migrate over there eventually,
Yeah.
or they might migrate next door. Who knows?
Don't worry, it'll be fine.
All right. And then we-
What? Theo? Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Voila!
Done.
Is there any honey yet?